Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this laser cut text effect in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select black screen and I'm going to add text, select the text, default text, and you can change what the text for. Right. You can resize and change the font style and the font color. Go to animation, select in animation, and you can find a laser cut. But this is pro effect. You can join properties to be able to use this effect. So just download and add to the track, and you can change for the time duration. This go. It's super simple. Alright. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.